Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video I'm going to be taking a closer look at the Kubi complete dry glove system. So this comes with dry gloves themselves, a metal ring system and a inner thermal glove. It's got everything that you need to get yourself started to fit it to your dry suit. If you've got round sleeves, if they're fitted with latex cuffs or with silicone cuffs, then these should be able to fit to your dry suit. Let's see what you actually get. So this is how it arrives in a pretty cool little bag, actually. You could probably use that as a thigh pouch if you really wanted to. So bright red nylon Cordura bag, which is pretty cool. You've got a little tag just with the size and sort of what's inside of it, with one of these little metal chainy quick release thingy bobbins. On the front we have a little zippered section which goes up and down. There's nothing inside of that. Around the sides, a bit of piping, an actual loop so you can thread it over some 2-inch webbing if you want to use it as a pouch. Another loop there to clip things off onto, really. And then we have a zippered open section, and inside, so we have one glove. So these are actually pre-fitted, which is quite nice. They've done it all for you. These are the metal ring system. There's going to be another set of rings that attach onto your dry suit. This set attaches to the glove itself. They've already fitted the O-rings as well. These might need a bit of lubrication as well, just to make your life a little bit easier, but also to look after those O-rings. Now this diameter is what they're referring to when they give the sizes like 80mm. This is the 80mm version. This distance straight across is 80mm, and it's basically if you can fit your hand through that. This is a little bit snug for me. I could probably get my hand through it, but I don't know if I'd get it out. So I'd probably go up a size or two, but this is what they're referring to when they're talking about the actual size of the rings, and you want to go for the smallest one that you could possibly fit your hand through. If you go for the largest possible size, then it's just quite big and bulky around your wrists, and also you have to fit the other side. A lot of the time it has to go on the inside up through your dry suit sleeve, so if it's too big it's not going to fit, so you want to go for the smallest one possible. So one of those with the 1.6mm gloves. I actually use these gloves myself. They're tough, but they're nice and thin as well, so you have plenty of dexterity, and it's very easy to buy spares and to replace those. You also get a paper bag, cuff side fixing O-rings, 4 of those. So try and keep these, instead of just opening it all and then sort of splaying it all out on the table, just keep these in the bag because there is some assembly required. Another set of O-rings. This is why they are specific different sizes. Cuff side securing O-rings. So again, when you're assembling them, make sure that you get the right ones. These are the rings that fit to your dry suit itself. So you'll have a smaller one, which is what's fixing to the latex or sometimes the silicone cuff seal. And then you have this external ring. This actually has reflective detailing on it, which is quite cool. So people can, if you shine a torch, it kind of glows back. Again, metal. These are a little bit bigger, and this is basically what that ring is going to push into. They're not lubricated, so there's a bit of resistance. You also get a pair of thermal gloves. These are the blue standard thermal gloves. Again, I use these myself. Very thin, but actually pretty warm, despite being ridiculously thin. They do warm up very quickly. There's no left or right, so that makes getting kitted up very quick and easy. And also if you need to replace one glove, it's not the end of the world. It makes life a lot easier. There is an inside and an outside now. I think it always used to be sort of the same. There's this kind of softer lining to the inside of the gloves. But yeah, for most diving, these are pretty good and really all you need. And then you just get a little sort of pamphlet, just picture diagrams showing you sort of what the rings are and sort of where they should go. There is video on their website which does show you how to assemble them properly, and their sort of recommended oils as well. So yeah, Okay, so that's the Kubi complete dry glove system. So as I said earlier, yeah, you should be able to fit these to any dry suit that has just traditional round circular cuffs, or if you do have silicone cuffs, if you have a circular ring system, you should be able to fit them to that silicone, but really they're designed for latex cuffs. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com, so click on the link down in the description below to find out more about them. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.